What is up, YouTube? Mitchell makes vids. Welcome back to another stock video. September 16th, pre-market. We're going to be talking about NUKK, or Nukkleus Inc., ticker NUKK. So are you looking for high volatility, high risk, potentially high reward play in defense tech? Let's break down NUKK, what they do, what's moving, and what to watch. So Nukkleus is a niche player in the aerospace and defense, fintech, crossover space. They're involved in things like UAVs, which are unmanned aerial vehicles, AI for defense, and command and control systems. Though a holding investment model across subsidiaries, they also supply generators for Iron Dome launchers and build tactical vehicles, reconnaissance, and energy trailers for defense forces. Here are some key recent developments. The stock recently jumped 13.9% in a single day, likely driven by news of a joint venture to modernize aviation infrastructure in Europe and Israel. Market cap is quite low, roughly 35 to 40 million as of the latest reports, so this is micro cap territory. Financials show big losses and very negative metrics. Example, huge negative net income, negative earnings per share. So the business is burning cash, but the risks are real. Financial meltdown risk. Given the magnitude of losses and low revenue base, any misstep like missing regulatory approvals, production delays, or cost overruns could be deadly. Volatility, the stock has swung wildly over the past year. Big upside, big downside. Business model and execution risk. As a holding company, investor in defense, drone, AI, execution depends heavily on subsidiaries, contracts, supply chain, regulation. Liquidity and transparency may be issues given small size and recent filings showing termination of major customer agreement in their history. So what are the key things to watch if you're considering NUKK? Upcoming contract wins in UAVs, defense systems, especially with Iron Dome or similar specs. Balance sheet improvements or capital raises. Can they finance continued development without diluting shareholders heavily? Regulatory or geopolitical risk. Defense spending is highly sensitive to policy, earnings reports, or SEC filings for clarity on revenue versus losses. Bottom line, NUKK is a speculative high-risk defense tech, fintech hybrid. If you believe in its tech, leadership, and markets, there could be major upside. But don't bet big without being comfortable with deep volatility and the possibility of downside. As always, this isn't financial advice. Do your own research and consult reliable sources before making decisions. And guys, you know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, share. Check the links in the video description below to make some money. Become a member of my YouTube channel today, and we'll see you in the next one.